Hey guys, welcome back. So if you are a Samsung fan, then you might know that Samsung will launch the Galaxy S21 series in January 2021. And as we are getting closer to the official launch, more details are surfacing online. First we had the live images of the Galaxy S21 Plus and S21 Ultra, which revealed its camera design. And now according to a new information, Samsung might ship the smartphones without chargers and earphones. Remember when Apple removed the 3.5mm headphone jack, and a lot of Android manufacturers mocked it for the decision, including Samsung. But now it seems that Samsung is following Apple by not bundling a charger and headphones in the box. While there was no confirmation, and seeing that Samsung itself mocked Apple on Facebook for not including a charger in the box, the post, which has now been deleted, shows that Samsung may be shamelessly doing what it accused Apple of. The Galaxy S21 Trio has been certified for sale in Brazil by the country's regulatory agency Anno, which reveals 3 phones will not ship with a charger and earphones. With this new move, smartphone companies will be touting their commitment to the environment by reducing e-waste, although we assume that's not the only motive. It will be interesting to see if other manufacturers will follow suit, especially considering so many Chinese brands have been touting super fast charging speeds. Meanwhile, the camera detail of the Galaxy S21 Ultra has been revealed. According to Universe, the Galaxy S21 Ultra will come with 4 cameras on the back, including a 108MP HM3 sensor, a 12MP sensor with an ultra-wide angle lens, a 10MP sensor with a folded telephoto lens capable of 10x zoom, and lastly a 10MP sensor with a telephoto lens capable of 3x zoom. There is also a laser autofocus module, LED flash and a mic on the back. Universe also shared an image showing a set of screen protector for the 3 phones. As can be seen in the image, the Galaxy S21 will come with a 6.3-inch display, the Galaxy S21 Plus will have a 6.7-inch display, and the Galaxy S21 Ultra will come with a 6.9-inch display. With that being said, let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.